Given the function f of x equals 7x squared plus 2x minus 6, evaluate each of the following. So to evaluate each of the following, one thing we can do is just take the input value, which at first is 0, and replace all of our x's with 0 throughout the function. So I would have 7 times 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 6. Anything times 0 is just 0, so this results in negative 6. In the second one, I have a positive 2. When I replace positive 2 here, I've got to do the same in the rest of the function. So I change all of my x's to the value positive 2. And then I just evaluate. So 7 times 4 would be 28. And I missed a 2 there. Sorry, 2 times 2. Plus 4 minus 6. 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 minus 6 is 26. Now, your calculator can help you with these things, and I always like to show students how to use their calculator in certain situations to make things a little bit easier. As long as you fundamentally understand what you're supposed to do otherwise, it's fine to use your calculator to help out. So if you need to evaluate one single function at a bunch of different points, a great thing to use is the table in your calculator. It's similar to graphing. What you do is you put your function in for y. So you do 7x squared plus 2x minus 6. And you make sure your table's set up properly by hitting second and window. And all you're looking for is the independent variable, which is your x variable, to be set to ask. And then hit second and graph, which takes you into the table. And you can just plug in anything you want for x, and it will evaluate your function in y1 at that particular point. It's very handy when you have a lot of different points to evaluate. So 18, 63, and 98. And don't worry, your calculator knows the order of operations and can handle parentheses just fine as well. So that is a very big time saver.